Get her, Jared, get her!
Body slam?
Jump, jump.
Jared, get her! Get her, Jared, get her! Jump, baby, jump! Get her, Jared. Get her, Jared. Pick her up. Get her. Beat her up for mommy, because mommy can't. Oh my goodness. He's a fighter.
There goes all your money.
Oh no.
I got it.
Jared, get her.
It's all mine.
Get her, Jared.
Here, where's your pocket? There you go.
Beat her up, Jared. Come on. Get her for mommy. My
I
God.
get money first.
Oh, jeez. I'll pay you later. Mommy's got the bills. Well, some anyway. Are you sure you don't want him at your party, Alyssa? He's fun.
There goes your money.
Alyssa, you can't invite me to a party with Mama and Papa here. Are you kidding?
Why? Huh?
Because, have you not seen my pictures?
What pictures?
You beat me up.
Oh, yeah, he's gonna...
Get her, Jared! Beat her up! Beat her up! Jared, get her! Now look what you did. First you slam him into a wall. Get her! Jared, body slammer! Wrestling style! Come on, baby! Oh! Jared, go like this. Ready? Fall on her. Go. Bam! Fall on her. Come on. Body slammer! Yeah! Woo!
Oh.
Jared, get her. Get her. Sit on her, Jared. Jump on her.
Oh, scared.
Jump on her, Jared.
Oh.
Jump on her with your butt.
Stinky feet, stinky feet.
Make her smell your feet, Jared. Give her your feet. Get her, Jared.
No. You have my feet.
Sit on her, Jared. Jump on her.
Yeah, jump on her.
Jump on her.
Oh.
Ah!
Should have got that one on film. Hey, can I erase the Ronald McDonald EMT pictures? Yeah. You've got them on your laptop? Yep. Okay. There's money in the hall.
Alyssa, there's money in the hallway.
Oh, gosh. Do you have a parade with money?
No.
Jared, get her. Jump on her. Jump on her. One more time. Jump on her one more time. You gotta go get your money. How do you pause this thing? Hi, Alyssa. Hi.
Hi. Yeah, I'm not real good.
Aw, smile for the camera. Come on.
It's okay.
Ow! That's what you get for hitting me. Okay, I'm gonna drop it. It's still recording, by the way. No, I'm thirsty. Uh-huh. Give me a big wet one. Ah!
Good.
Hey,
I'm posing for you.
black eye. Come on. Come on.
Hey, he's still getting at it.
What? I know, she's so mean to me. What's on the
He's something.
Oh!
Jared, no! Pick all that up
right now.
Wrong part of the house to be throwing coins at.
Jared Robert.
Whoopsie.
I don't know.
Oh, we're in trouble.
No, it was the money in his pocket. I'm making him pick him up right now. I know.
You're wanted.
I am wanted, I know.
Mommy.
She will, because she's mean.
Ow!
Get it. You're gonna end up with a bruise. I'm gonna end up with a bruise.
You're gonna end up with bruise?
Yeah.
You got little mini me hitting me?
Jared, there's a penny under the table.
For every one hit I hit you, I get 10 from him.
No.
I'll try and look pretty for the camera.
Trying. Are you taking a picture or are you video recording?
Video recording. It hasn't changed. You can keep them posing, it's still gonna be there.
Jared, pick it up.
Like anything to drink?
For this? No. He's gotta eat everything of mine. He's gotta drink everything of mine.
You let Wissa take a picture of me and you? I'm coming. I'm coming. You ready? You ready? Oh, he's got some. He's got something for you.
I'm gonna take that soda. I'm gonna take that Gatorade. Oh. You get any of that, baby?
Yeah.
Let me see.
It's still recording.
Huh?
Hasn't stopped, it's still recording.
Oh, you're recording?
Yeah.
Ow!
Jared, can I have a drink? Thanks. Papa,